Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting now. Open the Twitter app or website and sign in with your account. Once done, go straight to your profile menu, then Settings and Privacy, and select Privacy and Safety. You need to find the Protect Your Tweets switch. That control is what makes your account private. Make sure you're on the correct account before you proceed, because changing this affects every existing follower and tweet visibility. Keep the app updated so settings display correctly. Toggle Protect Your Tweets off to immediately change profile visibility from private to public. This publishes all past and future tweets. As you do that, review your followers list. Remove or block any follower you do not want having future access, because unprotecting grants them continued view unless removed. Also check your pinned tweet, uploaded media, and recent replies. Make sure nothing private will now be publicly exposed. If you rely on lists or drafts, take a moment to tidy them up before continuing. After unprotecting, confirm the change by viewing your profile logged out or using an incognito window. You should see tweets and media publicly. Once confirmed, refine discoverability settings like email/phone visibility and who's allowed to tag you, because these affect how others find and interact with you. If the setting doesn't save or you still see a lock, clear the app cache, update to the latest version, or switch to a desktop browser. If problems persist, wait a few minutes for server propagation and retry.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.